Hi, my name is Jason Wasfy. I'm one of the medical directors of the Mass General Physicians Organization. I'm a cardiologist here. I'm delighted to be here with Dr. Fiona Danaher, who is a pediatrician at Mass General. And what we're going to talk about today is this month is International Migrants Day. And so there's a lot about, it's been such a awful year in many ways. Immigrants have really disproportionately felt the burden of COVID-19, but they've also done such an amazing job sort of helping keep us all safe. You know, there's so many immigrants and the children of immigrants who have been involved in the vaccine development. The head of Warp Speed is an immigrant. In Massachusetts, you know, about a third of our physicians, about half of home health aides are immigrants. So immigrants really have done such an amazing job sort of keeping us all safe. What events are we planning at Mass General about immigration this month?
So as you said, International Migrants Day is December 18th. For the past 3 years, the MGH Immigrant Health Coalition has been organizing a Migration is Beautiful campaign to celebrate the contributions of migrants and the resilience and dignity of migration. This year we had to take it virtual because of COVID, but that also provided us with an opportunity to take it big. So we've arranged a week of events starting on Monday the 14th, going through the 18th. There will be different talks every day at noon. We're also going to have some movie screenings and a book club in the evenings. So we definitely encourage people to check those events out. Recognizing that it's harder for people to engage in person, we are trying to find some ways to participate as well. So we have some large butterfly wings that are going to be on the Bullfinch lawn that people can pose with and take pictures for their social media. We're also going to be distributing badge backers that employees can put behind their IDs that have best practices in caring for immigrant patients at MGH. And we have butterfly stickers that employees can put on their ID badges to symbolize solidarity with immigrant patients and colleagues. All of those will be available in the Employee Access Center on the first floor of the main campus.
Thank you so much for doing this. This sounds like a lot of wonderful activities and so appropriate given the year that we've been through. So thank you.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's our pleasure. We're just really excited to be able to bring it to everybody. The other thing that we are going to be doing next week is actually announcing the official launch of an MGH Center for Immigrant Health, which is a project that has been in the works for a while, but it's really taken on new urgency for us in the context of COVID-19, because as you mentioned, immigrants are a crucial part of our workforce and have been disproportionately represented among essential workers during the COVID-19 crisis, but they have also been disproportionately affected both by the disease itself and by the economic fallout. And we've seen this on the wards. During the first surge, as many as 65% of the patients on the COVID units had limited English proficiency. And now as the second surge is getting underway, as of the last time I checked, we were already up to 30% of our COVID patients having limited English proficiency. And you know, this is being driven by a number of inequities, both in terms of societal factors and also healthcare access. And so we're hoping that this center can really help us to address that. The center does include an immigrant health resource specialist who's available in the paging directory for any questions people have about how to help immigrant patients access the resources that they need. So we definitely encourage people to look the resource specialist up and give them a call.
Yeah, it seems like a wonderful resource for so many of our patients. We're so grateful for all of this critically important work. So thank you, and I really appreciate the time talking to me about it.
Yeah, thank you.